Meet Omnibot, the world's first universal AI command center that truly revolutionizes how you use artificial intelligence. Instead of juggling dozens of expensive subscriptions, Omnibot gives you instant access to over 100 premium AI tools, all from a single, easy-to-use chat interface. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, content creator, or business owner, Omnibot is designed to save you both time and money while delivering professional results in record time. No more switching between different platforms or paying for features you never use. Everything you need is now in one place, ready when you are. What makes Omnibot so powerful? It orchestrates the combined intelligence of industry-leading platforms like ChatGPT-4 for advanced writing, MidJourney V6 for breathtaking art, Synthesia for Hollywood-quality video, Claude 3 for deep analysis, and over 96 other top-tier AI tools. All you do is type or speak your request, and Omnibot intelligently routes your task to the perfect AI engines. Imagine creating websites, videos, graphics, copy, apps, ebooks, ad campaigns, and more, up to 47 times faster than traditional methods. With zero learning curve, if you can send a text, you can master Omnibot. It works flawlessly on any device, so you're always just seconds away from unleashing your creativity and productivity. Omnibot isn't just about access. It's about results. Tasks that used to take hours or days now take minutes or even seconds. For example, creating a complete brand identity with Omnibot takes under 5 minutes, compared to the 23 hours and thousands of dollars you'd spend the old way. Real users are raving about the speed and quality. I was blown away by ChatGPT, but Omnibot puts it on steroids. After using it to create a complete marketing campaign, it's scary how smart this AI command center is, said Amit Gaikwad, a verified Omnibot user. Not only is Omnibot incredibly smart, it's also so fast at handling any task you throw at it, said Anirudh Bavra. With Omnibot, you eliminate subscription chaos and save over $19,000 a year compared to paying for individual AI tools. The one-time price is less than the cost of a single dinner out, yet gives you enterprise-level results. Entrepreneurs are already using Omnibot to build six-figure businesses, create digital agencies, launch online courses, and automate marketing, all without hiring expensive freelancers or learning complicated software. Thousands are cashing in on the artificial intelligence gold rush by leveraging Omnibot's multi-AI orchestration and universal commercial rights, allowing you to profit from everything you create. Omnibot comes packed with premium bonuses, including step-by-step profit blueprints, a client acquisition masterclass, and 1,000 power prompts to maximize your results. Plus, you get a universal commercial license. Everything you make is yours to sell or use. Try Omnibot completely risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But act fast. This exclusive one-time offer is limited by server capacity and will soon jump to a much higher price. Don't let hesitation cost you the opportunity of a lifetime. Ready to save time, money, and transform your business? Click the link below and secure your discounted Omnibot access before it's gone. The AI revolution is here. Make sure you're leading it.